When it comes to buying or selling a home, there are often certain terms that must be understood before the transaction can be completed. Two of these terms are chattels and fixtures. Understanding the difference between these two items in order to determine what is included in the purchase or sale of a property is crucial. The term chattel is a legal term that refers to personal property. Examples of chattels may include furniture, appliances, artwork, and tools. Fixtures are any items that are attached to the house and generally remain when the current occupant moves out. An example of fixtures may include electrical light fixtures. When buying or selling, be aware of what is to be included and/or excluded in the sale and have them listed in the agreement of purchase and sale to avoid potential misunderstandings with the other parties involved. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here, and thanks for watching.